guys, May 5th, 2025. This one here I got a call for a problem with an outside faucet. Oh, I don't know if he left the hose on it or what, but it's a frost-free one, and so the problem with it leaking. Well, I don't know if it's leaking outside or if it's leaking inside, but we're gonna go over there and address the issue and replace it if we need be. I have them in the truck. Getting a little warm out. Got the windows and the door open. Don't need AC in this thing. Just open the door and the windows and cool right off.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Flipping door open. I got my new converter there. That was where the old one was, where the humming was coming from. Yeah, the outside faucet's not shutting off. It's right here. It won't shut off. Little leaker. I'm gonna need to put a new one in there. I'm gonna put a brand new one in there. It's taking a whiz. It's like a Mansfield. It's all, can't even turn it. It's all stripped. Let's put a new one in there. And put new screws in it. Get a couple of screws loose now. No screws in there, and we can cut it and replace it. Oh yeah, you can see it's all wet. Might have froze and split. It's all wet. It's all wet. Definitely a problem. Definitely a problem. We'll cut it. We'll put a coupling right here, a little jet coupling. Maybe there might be some water in there, but we'll bleed it out. Hopefully. Leaker. It's all wet. We'll bring that piece in and do what we got to do with it. I got the thing on the wrong side there. I don't know. Looks like it might be. Either way, it's gonna go with a new one. I think that might be a 6-inch one. I'm not sure. These seem to be decent. I've been using them and they seem to be okay. I don't really have to take them apart. If I use the jet coupling on the inside, it don't hurt to take them apart. Don't hurt to take them apart. This way you don't fry them. Some guys take them apart, some guys don't. I mean, I've done it either way. It's not that big of a deal. It ain't gonna hurt to take it apart. Don't hurt to take it apart. That's what we need for a piece right there. Solder. It's a little longer. It's a little longer than the other one, but it'll be okay. That's what we need for a piece right there. I did bring a piece of copper. We'll solder it up and cut it. You're better off with the solder in it. If you try to put a female adapter, sometimes they'll leak. Oh, I found that. I found you're better off just soldering it. Don't be a Girl Scout. Just solder it up. It ain't a big deal. Be a Girl Scout, Ma. Be a Girl Scout. I gotta get a coupling for that. I do have a rag and a coupling. Let that cool. Line them both up. I know where to cut it. This wants to go in the back, like so. You want to put a pitch on it. It wants to drain out. You want to have it so it's pitching down. You want to have it so it pitches, so when it shuts off it drains out. That's why you want to put that back piece in there. We'll leave this out for now. Just keep it in there loose for now. Solder it up and then we'll come out, tighten this up. So if there's any water, it'll steam out a solder that. I'll be doing something. Solder a coupling on there. Might want to do is put another hanger on this thing and move the hanger. See how it's kind of down? I want that up. I'm going to adjust that hanger after I solder it. Should be it. All the way out and just turn it back a little bit, and I did tighten the packing up so it don't drip. Sometimes this will drip. Alright, I don't see no leaks. Should be able to turn it on outside, it should be fine. Don't worry. Be cappy. Alright, so I raised that hanger up as high as I could. And looks like it's got pitch going out. Looks like it's pitching down is what we want. We want it pitching down and out. So when it shuts off, that drains out.